friends, do you know how to make over $600 a day? It's super simple. All you need is internet access and a winning strategy. Today, I'm sharing a no-loss trading secret on pocket option. Be sure to watch this video until the end for some cool insights. Let's roll! Today, I will show you how I trade in the green using the stochastic indicator. So let's open our first trade for a rise on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen pair, and I will tell you why. On the stochastic oscillator, we see the moving averages have crossed at the bottom and are about to exit the oversold zone. This signals that the sellers are running out of steam. Buyers are starting to scoop up the asset. Additionally, this downward support line confirms our forecast, and the chart is likely to bounce off it and rise. A quick reminder on how we get signals from the stochastic, guys. So the indicator shows two moving averages that sometimes enter the oversold zone below the 20 level or the overbought zone above the 80 level. When the blue and orange moving averages cross over the 80 level and exit the overbought zone, it's a signal to sell. So when they cross under the 20 level and exit the oversold zone, it's time to buy. So we're up $172. Let's switch to another currency pair. Starting in trading but want to earn today? All successful traders had their share of losses before hitting a stable income of thousands. I offer you a shortcut. Join my Telegram channel. With hundreds of subscribers there, we boost our deposits starting from $100 to $5,000 weekly. Yes, we do it every week from Monday to Friday. $5,000, that's what participants get in a week. Trade with my signals and you will be earning starting from the day one. I will share the secrets of profitable trading and smart capital management. Check out past trading sessions and reviews of my participants who have become part of our big team. Direct message me and I will tell you how to become my partner on Telegram. But now, back to trading. Next signal on the British pound Japanese yen pair. We're going for a rise here. Similar situation, yeah? Stochastic lines have crossed and are starting to break through the oversold level. Another signal for us is the ascending trend support line. So we see that the chart confidently moves up. By the way, you can customize the stochastics oversold and overbought levels to fit your unique trading style. It's better to adjust them on a demo account. I prefer the standard 20 and 80 levels, so I find them optimal, but that's just my choice. To reduce risks, you could set indicators, for example, at 10 and 90. It's a stricter filter. Signals will be less frequent, but you can say more accurate. All right, our trade closes and we're plus $172 in our balance. As you see, you don't need to clutter your chart with many indicators. You can pick just one and tailor it to your strategy. But remember that stochastic, like any other indicator, is just an additional tool for analysis, and I always consider the trend, support, and resistance levels patterns. So now I don't see any signals here, so let's change the currency pair then. Next signal on the US dollar Swiss franc pair. We're going for a decrease. The moving averages of stochastic have crossed and are about to exit the overbought zone. We also have another signal, so the chart shows a sideways movement, right? It means there is uncertainty in the market. Either a reversal or a minor correction will happen now. The price has been rising and hit a resistance level. It can't break through at once. So since our expiration is just a minute, we will make money in this period of uncertainty, even if the upward trend continues afterwards. By the way, it's better to trade with stochastic in line with the trend but not against it. I'm taking a risk by going for a decrease in an uptrend, such situations, you would experience traders who can analyze the overall market situation and who can actually filter out these false signals. Our forecast was right and we made $154, so let's move on to another currency pair. Next signal on the Euro-US dollar pair. We're going for a rise, investing $100. Though stochastic hasn't quite reached the oversold level, we are reinforcing our forecast with graphic analysis. The price was moving down within this channel, but then it crossed its upper boundary. This means the minor trend movement has ended. Probably a correction or reversal will happen now. On stochastic, we see the blue line has crossed the orange moving average from below upwards. This further supports our forecast that the price will rise. The profit, choosing the right expiration time is crucial, so when trading with stochastic, it's optimal to open the trade for 1 or 3 candles. The market is always changing, so before trading, it's important to check how previous signals performed. Today's minute trades are showing good results and we are up $178, so let's look for a signal on another pair. New signal on the British pound Swiss franc pair, guys. We're going for a rise. On the stochastic, we see the blue line has crossed the orange from below upwards. This indicates that the chart is likely to move up for a while. And we also see a bullish trend on the chart. So we're opening the trade in line with the trend for a rise. I often use stochastic in my trading. It's one of the most informative tools for chart analysis, in my opinion. It's very sensitive to market sentiment changes and good at signaling the beginning of a trend reversal. And unlike many other indicators that lag behind price movement and give delayed signals, stochastic reflects the current situation. That's why the percentage of profitable trades with this oscillator is pretty high, especially if we use several analysis methods, including graphic analysis. So we're in profit and our balance is up by $184. The trade closed not very confidently, maybe a longer expiration was needed, so let's change the currency pair. Next up, British pound and Japanese yen. I went for a decrease here. First, we do graphic analysis. So the price is going down, creating a clear trend movement within this channel. We expect the price to bounce off the upper boundary and head towards the lower level of this channel. We also look at stochastic. In favor of our forecast, the blue moving average has crossed the orange from above downwards. The price is going down, but not very confidently. So if trade doesn't go through, the downward trend might be ending. We're either at a reversal or the price will move sideways. In any case, the chart never turns sharply. Even if it does, we will manage to profit from a short trade, I'm sure. That's why I prefer trading with just 1 minute expiration time. Risky situation, I agree, but the trade closes in profit. Our balance is up by $181, so let's look for a more confident signal. It's not worth staying here. Next, Euro-US dollar currency pair. Here we're opening a trade for a decrease. So stochastic shows up the price will now go down, and the orange and blue moving averages have crossed and left the overbought zone. They crossed the 80 boundary and are heading down. As usual, we back up our guess with graphic analysis. We see an upward movement and a clear support line. The price has broken through it. After the breakthrough, the chart should go down. By the way, in the oscillator settings, you can change not only the overbought and oversold levels, but also the sensitivity of the moving averages. I leave the default settings: 14, the period of the fast moving average, 3, the slow moving average, and again 3, the stochastic smoothing measure. Such parameters show decent results and have been tested by me, so I believe they are quite optimal. So we're confidently in profit, plus $175 to the balance. The signal has played out. Let's look for another one. New signal on the Euro-Canadian dollar pair. We're opening the trade for a rise. On the stochastic, we see lines have crossed and are exiting the oversold zone. This indicates the chart should turn around. Moreover, we see that the price has been moving down in this channel for quite some time. And then it started breaking through upwards. After breaking through, the chart growth should continue. Two signals tell us about a reversal, so we confidently enter the market. There is also this strategy, combining two stochastics, fast and slow one. You add the indicator to the chart twice, so set one to a key line period of 26 and the other to 5. We rely on signals from the fast stochastic, which will appear quite often. Then we verify the forecast with the slow stochastic line. With such a strategy, losing trades are almost non-existent. So plus $179 to the deposit, and I will look for one more signal and then exit the market. Final signal on the Australian dollar Swiss franc pair. We're opening the trade for a rise. The blue stochastic line has crossed the orange from below upwards. So in such cases, you can trade for a rise if our forecast is confirmed by graphic analysis. So we see how the price is going up, bouncing off the support line. Before this, it hit a horizontal level and couldn't break through it after a bearish trend. And everything indicates that the chart will now turn around and go up. The movement isn't very confident yet. The price is hovering around our trade. In such a scenario, you could open another trade with a longer expiration to hedge. So if the chart doesn't rise in time for the first investment, the second one can cover the loss. Things should be good here. Several signals confirm our forecast, so it looks like the price is beginning to rise gradually. Yes, the trade closes in our favor, adding $182 to the balance. So today's trading with stochastic was quite productive and I made $675. Now let's proceed to withdraw funds. The easiest way is in cryptocurrency. I use the Tether token. The exchange is made at a convenient rate, 1-to-1, plus pocket option does not charge a transaction fee. So enter the amount you want to withdraw. I will specify $4,500. In the next field, enter your wallet address, so then just press continue and wait for the system to process the request. Funds are deducted from the balance instantly, and a warning appears on the screen that deposits funds may take up to 2 days, but actually that's for large amounts only. Transfers up to $10,000 usually are credited within 20 minutes. So the funds have arrived in my wallet. We can track this in the transaction history. Here is our latest transaction, and $4,500 was transferred to me. $474 remains on the balance. That's it, and let's summarize. In the end, today's trading session went pretty well. Some signals were strong, others not so much, but still, we went into profit. Where else can you make almost $700 in 15 or 20 minutes? Don't miss out on my new videos on this channel and subscribe to my Telegram in order to earn as much as I can. In the video description, you will find a link to my Telegram, and if you send me a private message, I will grant you a link for the first 50% deposit bonus on pocket option, especially for you. Happy trading! Bye everyone!